Hello and welcome to another Nicomedia Quick Tip. Today I want to show you how to force Nano Banana to use a specific aspect ratio. Because normally when you generate a picture in Nano Banana, you will get only a square picture. And yeah, I want to show you how you can fix this. Here I am on Nano Banana, so try Nano Banana. I am on my Google AI Studio. You can also use here Gemini. When you go to Gemini, I'm sorry, you go here to Picture, and you have Nano Banana as well. So, but I prefer here the AI Studio, and let's generate a picture here. Uh, Minions on a banana boat, and let's run it. Okay, we have our minions on a banana boat. Nice. But if I say minions on a banana boat, let's copy this. Format landscape 16 by 9. Run it. And we will see we get a square picture again. That's nothing like, and it looks like exactly the same picture. Normally it should use a seed number or something else to get a different picture. Let's try it in a new and put this Nano Banana, check. Yeah. Format landscape 16 by 9. I copy this maybe for later. So oops, and run. Whoop, 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 whoop. It goes quite fast, so that's no problem. Yeah, this is a different picture, and you see we have it still in in a square format. So open a new tab, and what you get with in Gemini or here in Google AI Studio, you always get this watermark here, which is really stupid because this is one. This is not even a second to fix in Photoshop, so that you can so easily remove this, or simply crop it and you don't see it. I don't know why they put a watermark on this. This is extremely stupid in my eyes. But anyways, so we have this. And you see, even if we say 16 to 9, we don't get a 16 to 9 image. So now comes my thing. I use this, so I don't need format. What I do is I put in an reference image, and this is a simply white image in the format I want. So here is, for example, I have it's a 16 by 9 picture, only white. That's it. And I simply say now exchange the white space with, and here we use the ones minions on a banana boat, and we don't need the landscape here. Let's see what we get now. And we should get it does not work every time, but 90% it works. And see, you have now a 60 by 9 image. And that works, of course, with every aspect ratio. You put in a picture, a blank picture, and you have it. I have here prepared 4 by 3, 16 by 9, 3 by 4, 9 by 16 or so. And I've of course built my own Nano Banana app here, you see. And here I can do it as well. So I can simply drag in a 16 by 9 image, 16 by 9, and here exchange. Uh, exchange the white space. Here we have a typo. There. So, don't need the landscape thing. And that should work as well. Maybe not if I want to show it. And this is in the background. There works N8N with an API for thing. And you see here on my thing, I have this slider to see a before and after comparison. If you use another picture, of course, you can edit every picture you want. And you see we have the 69. And in my app here, I don't have a watermark because this runs over an API, and in the API version you don't have the watermark. And if you're interested how to I want to show you this N8N thing here. Nico FTP. So I have here my Nano Banana edit somewhere here, and this is what it runs in the background. And you see here we use here the Nano Banana Flash. So this is the Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview. This is Nano Banana. Okay, this is this. And now I have another thing for you. If you don't want, you can make this white pictures here simply in Photoshop. You can put an image, say your aspect ratio, and save it. But I made a small app here. You see, you can. I will put a link down in the descriptions. And here you can simply use your custom aspect ratio if you want, or you use something of the standard formats here. And you say, let's say, if you want a 9:16 format, generate image, and you can download this image. Then you have the 69 image. You see here the aspect ratio and everything. If you want the 20, generate image, download this image. So you don't have to go in Photoshop and create your own images. You can simply do this here. And if you go even to this site, to nicomedia.at/tools, you see a lot of tools I already made with GI, with AI, GI, with AI, and maybe there's something you need. And this is the reference image generator. Okay, yeah, that's it so far. And yeah, if you're interested how to make some apps like this with the Nano Banana, or I made even one with the new Sea Dream 4. This is it should be. Many people say it's better than Nano Banana. I don't think so, but you can do the same. And here you don't have to play with the aspect ratios. Here you can put in an aspect ratio you want, and that's it. And if you edit an image that's ready, so not just a white image, you simply go to match input image, and you will always get the aspect ratio of the normal image. But you see, this is offline here. This is on my PC. But if you want to see, we can show you this minions on a banana boat. Oops. Boat. I want 16 by 9. And generate image. Let's see if it works. But this is not free. This C-Dream, it costs over the API. It costs about 3 cents per image. So this is not not so expensive. But you see, it works as well in 69, and everything is fine. Yeah, what the C-Dream is better is it makes bigger pictures. This is much bigger. So in banana you get I think 1344 times whatever, and this is over 2000 pixel. So this is a 2K picture. thing. And this is 2K and Nano Banana is 1K. Okay, that's it. Or one megapixel. Yeah, you know what I mean. That's it. So, and let me know in the comments if you want to know, or if you want to see how to build your own apps like this. And yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you this because I often get the question, how can I force this in Nano Banana the aspect ratio, and now you know it. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, and have a nice week. Wish you all the best here from Austria, Vienna. Tschüss und